Hi folks, welcome back to another exciting and amazing video. In this video we are creating how to copy to clipboard functionality in our app. So let's start. First we are creating a simple UI and you all will know how to create it. So I just created a simple UI with the bar and the title inside the app bar, some style to title. Now another class for copy to clipboard functionality, and here we are getting a stateful widget. Alright, and here we are returning a padding widget with 20 horizontal padding, and here we are creating a text field with outline input border. So in our home screen we will use that text field. Alright, so inside the text field we are creating a suffix icon which we will use for copy to clipboard functionality, and here we are creating a text editing controller. Alright, so inside the text field we are using that variable is a controller. Now we wrap the suffix icon with the gesture detector, so remove the constant. Alright, so this is used for copy to clipboard. You can use it anywhere in your app. Alright, so you can see that this is working fine. Now we are creating another widget for pasting that clipboard text. Alright, here we are creating a stateful widget for paste the clipboard, and the same UI for this one as we previously implement, and we are creating with outline input border text field. Here we will use this that paste to clipboard. Okay, now you can see this is working fine. Now suffix icon are pasting and wrap this with gesture detector. Alright, we paste it here and remove the constant, so there is gone. Alright, now inside the untap method, here we are creating a text editing controller and use inside the text field as a controller. So clipboard dot get data, and here we are setting the format text and then dot then. So if We are here declaring a condition if the value is not null. So paste dot text equal to this value dot text. Okay. So set the paste variable that on clicking light. So when you can copy any text and paste it here, it will work fine. So thank you for watching. Stay updated for the next video. Thank you.